Today we're going to set up an appointment in the appointment book with Dentrix. I want you to have an idea about the appointment book. Each of the operatories are specific rooms. So Op 20 PP, the first one, is going to be the sim lab. The second op, which here it says op 2 in the appointment book, is the composite or the prophy lab. Op 3 will be the amalgam and composite, and then op 4, I don't know if you can see it here on the screen, op 4 is the x-ray room. So if you want to use any of those operatories, you're going to have to schedule an appointment. In order for you to schedule an appointment, you're going to have to click onto the operatory, and the name will come up, or a place for you to put your name. And it's asking for the last name. And I type in my last name, and I'm already an established patient. So I can say, okay. It's going to ask the initial treatment. And you can go ahead and change it, but for right now, we're just going to put a couple of exams. And then I just like to pinboard it because it's so much easier to pinboard. And if you can see this, I'm going to drag it down into the specific operatory. And then I'll say OK. And then it has me. And I can always extend and make it a shorter appointment. The biggest deal also is you want to put down what kind of treatment we're going to do. And right here it talks about the initial treatment. And also you can go to the treatment plan if you have 3-surface composite. And how you're going to do that is by the tooth chart. You can, if you're going to do composite or restoration, second-year students, then you will want to put whatever filling that you need to do, and that would be through the tooth chart. Going back to the appointment book, remember the icons to navigate here are on the top toolbar. This is the tooth chart, this is the family file, and this is the ledger. If you don't have an appointment, you will go ahead and enter in the patient's name. We'll call this last name Blow. And we'll see that the patient doesn't have an appointment, so we'll go new patient. And then we'll enter the information. One thing about Dentrix, it will give you a new patient information number, but it's a temporary number, so you'll have to go back into the computer or the family file and enter additional information like giving your patient a fake birthday and a fake social security number. So you'll enter this information, hit OK, put the appointment into the schedule, and then you'll have to go back up to the family file and enter the additional information. So that's the first step on scheduling an appointment into Dentrix. Thanks.